for this question, it's from coordinate geometry. And it's not immediately clear how to proceed. In fact, looking at the questions we previously saw, it's definitely more typical from this, and it could be left for the second attempt. Could be left. You can skip over it when in the first go. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll try to find the locus of the points. So let a point in the set x be of the form x, y, z, and what we are given is distance xp squared, which is 1 squared plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3 square minus x minus 4 square plus y minus 2 plus z minus 7 square is equals to 50. This is simply distance formula, which gives us x square and x square will get cancelled. Y similarly y and z squared will also get cancelled. We'd be left with minus 2x plus 1 minus 4y plus 4 minus 6z plus 9 minus 8x plus 16 minus 4y 4 minus 14z plus 49. So that is minus 2x plus 8x is 6x, minus 4y plus 4y gets cancelled, minus 6z plus 14z is plus 8z, plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 is plus 14, 16 plus 4 20 plus 49 69, so minus 69, 50. Means 6x plus 8z equals to 105. Similarly, for the coordinate for the locus of t, we simply will have minus 50 on this side, which will give the locus of y would be 6x plus 8z is equals to 5. Okay, so this is s and this is t. So this is the equation of plane. So option A is correct, because on a plane we will have a triangle of area 1. So option A is correct. Option B is there are two distinct points L and M in T such that each point on their line segment LM is also in T. T is also a plane. So yeah, there would be a line segment LM on the plane. So we will have option B as well. We can take two distinct points on a plane which such that the line joining them is on the plane. So the distance between the two planes 6x plus 8z equals to 105 and 6x plus 8z. The distance between the planes is mod d1 minus d2 upon under root plus b square plus a square, which is 100 upon under root 100, which is equals to 10. So the distance between the planes is 10. So these are the two planes and this is 10. So we can have rectangles of parameter 48 because this length is 10, this is 10, and taking 2 points from each, the length, this length L, and taking this as breadth, so B will be greater than equals to 10. So for that length, so if B is equals to, if we take B is 10, then L can be 14, and even with these this combination of L and B, we can have infinitely many infinitely many rectangles. There's a square of parameter 48, which means the side of square is 12. Yeah, so C is correct and D is in fact correct, because we can have a square of parameter 48. It just won't be perpendicular to the planes, it would be tilted. It would look so sideways, it would look like something like this. This being 10, this would be 12, and yeah. So yeah, ABCD is correct.